Hey everyone, Carl and I are here to talk about some rings that we got sent by the Modern Gents, and we're really excited. I first found their company when I was just browsing different sites online because I was just, just looking at rings for just one day when that special time happens, if you know what I mean. And I found the Modern Gents and I fell in love with their rings. We just got back from our first trip together to Disneyland, if you can't tell by my cheesy matching shirts, and I decided that I wasn't gonna tell him that I got these rings. Well, he knew I had mine, but he didn't know about his, and I presented his to him as like a promise ring until the one day that he get engaged. That part's on him. But now we know where we're gonna get our rings from because we are obsessed with these and they are so pretty. I have the Grace. Carl has the Infinity, and they're really comfortable and I absolutely love them, and I'm so glad that I love them, and they're very reasonable and affordable.
They're really comfortable, and I always put this on every morning or every day. I just really like it.
They're made from high quality 925 sterling silver, and I've been wearing mine every single day over the past few weeks since I got it, and it's still as shiny and perfect as the day that I received it. And you can wash your hands with it and it looks perfect.
Both rings are awesome. Really awesome.
They're a conflict-free brand, and they also have a lifetime warranty. Yeah, so we definitely know that one day, whenever, he decides to pop that question, we know where we will be getting our rings and our wedding bands from. So, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!
Bye!